Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel again, and this is Mrs. O. So today is Thursday and the afternoon to me here. So it's funny. I just I just want to show you more guys. One of my happy pill around this time. So it arrived and let's see. I hope I will be surprised. And as I've said, I am into indoor plants. So more planter guys. So I am so excited. Let's see how it looks like because this time I am excited with the color guys. It's one of the lucky color of the year 2021. So let's see, all right? Okay. We have to do what is this? Unboxing. Unboxing guys. All right. So this one is from Overstock. So this one is another clay. So it really says fragile, handle with care. So oh boy. Oh wow. How are you guys? I hope all of you are well. Oh boy. Oh wow. Look at that. A lot of stuff guys. This is so cute. Yes, I can maybe get closer to you. Look at that. That's so cute. So I have to transfer this over here. The box from yesterday is still here. The good thing. It's easy for me to transfer here, or I can get the box. So, oh wow, this is very interesting cutting. I am excited too, guys. So I hope I don't need to take everything out. I guess I need to take out more of this. Oh, wow. Good and bad. Good to protect the product. The bad, I'm already tired. Oh my god. This time it's smaller. So it's 2 sets in here, so the other one will be so small. Oh my god, bending that long enough is not good with the back, guys. Oh wow. Oh, I open it. Oh yeah. Are you ready, guys? Oh my god. A lot of... Ta-da, guys. Isn't that cute? Yellow. the lucky color of the year. It's a lot of foamy thingy. I blend that up. And the other one, it's made of clay. So it's kinda has a weight, of course. Look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty, guys? My happiness this time, guys. A planter. So yes, guys. Oh wow. All right. I want to show you guys the look. There you go, guys. Are they cute? Ta-da! Isn't that cute, guys? So, here are my happiness of the day. Additional happiness. It's like I'm having this unboxing for 3 days in a row. Isn't it beautiful, guys? You know, my simple happiness around this time to put beautification on my indoor plant. So yeah, these are on sale as well. So I found this in, what is that? Overstock. Oh my god, this is all the way came from California. So I'm here in Pennsylvania. Good thing it's really no crack. It's very, what do you call it? It arrived in good condition. Oh gosh, I am already tired, guys. Dang. All right, guys. Oh wow. That's all for today. I easily get so tired, guys. Oh my Lord. Can you imagine? Blame it to my thyroid problem. Alright, guys, this is Mrs. O again, and please like and subscribe. Thanks for your time. Alright, bye.